Hello, what's up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So nowadays, the most trending entertainment application is Musically. So the Musically is a free social media app with a community of 100 million registered users. So this free social media app allows you to create, share, and watch videos right from your phone. So sometimes these types of applications are not safe to use it. So at that time, most of the people are interesting to leave from this Musically. So today I will show you how to delete your Musically account permanently. Here I just only show you by sending the request to deleting the account. So because once they get the request from you and they will process it. So first of all you can open your Musically application in your Android mobile. And in your home page section you can press that your profile icon and it is located at the bottom. Then it shows my profile informations and in this section you can press that gear icon for settings and it is located at almost top. Then it shows one pop-up window and it has three options and in this section you can select privacy and settings and the third one. So now you can see, so it shows lots of settings about privacy. So here you can select help center and the fourth one. And the page is now starts to loading. And here also it shows some settings. So again you can go to my account and settings and the first one. So now you can see, so it shows some account related settings. So here you can scroll down and go to the last page. So finally I get the option called delete account. So you can select it. Then it shows some instructions to deleting your account. So here you can scroll down. And in this section you can select that link support ticket here and it is highlighted as blue link, so you can select it. Then it asks for your account informations like that your username and email id. So also it is mandatory to upload the screenshot of your profile page. So first of all you can take the screenshot of your profile. Then I try to enter my account informations. So once the details are entered you can click to submit your request. So if you have any errors while try to uploading the screenshot of the image, so you can access this Musically support page by using your Google Chrome web browser and the URL is https://support.musical.ly. Then go to my account and settings. So here you can select delete account. Then same way you can press that blue link. So here you can type your username and account details. So once the details are entered you can click to submit your request. So finally here you can see, so it shows thanks for contacting us and we will take actions accordingly. So this is the way you can easily deactivate your Musically account permanently. So for more videos you can subscribe my channel Techans and thanks for watching.